Hi mates, thank you so much for being here. Today I wanted to do a video unboxing this item. I was in a convenience store and I found this and it totally piqued my interest. I shared a little clip on Instagram. If you are not following, I will leave the Instagram link down below. But I thought, wow, that is so neat. And these kind of pouches with the old traditional Japanese stationery, this one is a notebook, the Tsubamenote. The Tsubamenote book, there's one with crayons, and there's just so many different types of these pouches out there. But this one is the first time I saw this in the convenience store, and so I picked one up. I thought I would share with you what it looks like. So here's the back. I'm always curious about pricing, so it's 1890 yen plus tax, which is not bad at all, I don't think. I'm not sure because we have to see the quality of it, but in terms of all these pocket slots and everything, it looks pretty promising. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh, I didn't realize it's scrunched up this way. So I believe it's quite big. Wow, I'm pleasantly surprised. I didn't know it would be, I thought the size would be this size, but it's bigger. So this is what it looks like. There are some indentations because of the way that it was packaged. I really like these. I really like this gold detailing zipper pulls that say Tsubame on there. Tsubame. So cute. And here apparently you can stick in a pen. So let's find one. And I think it's quite, oh, actually it has Velcro. Oh my goodness. That is so neat. Like simple things like that. I mean, they could have easily just sewn it here, and then you can still pop your pen in and out. You can actually hold several pens, I would say, if they're small pens like these. They could have easily just kept it shut. But these, the details, it's so neat for this price. I think is really nice. Anyways, so there's that pen holder. So let's open this up and see what it looks like inside. The corners are a bit rough with the zipper. You just have to kind of open it up and it'll be okay. Yeah, it's a little bit of a struggle here. So let's see. Wow, okay. It's very roomy. So there's one big full-length pocket in the back. These ones are just card slots. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is very short. It doesn't go all the way down like you might think. So they're just regular card slots. I don't have anything close by. Yeah, so there's, yeah, these are card slots. One full length, like I said here. There's a nice zipper pouch there. It goes all the way to the edge. And then on this side, there is a mesh little pocket, and then there is stitching right down the middle so that I guess you can, oh, there's another pocket, wow. So you can stick small things in here. And then you can stick in like long pens and such in the back and then clip them to the band. And then you can section them off. So maybe you can put like pencil crayons or things that are longer like Tombow. I don't have my Tombow marker here. But yeah, it's ample room. This is the Blackwing and this is the Platinum desk pen. So you can see that it has enough room there. And then this is really neat too. It's a detachable pen case or pouch. So if you don't need to take this with you, maybe you are, let's say you set this up for like watercolor or something, and in here you have your extra watercolor supplies, and maybe you don't need this. You can remove it, or I don't know, there's just so many examples and so many ideas. That is so neat. I really like the logos on here too, and the fact that some of them are different colored. And then you can just snap it back into place if you want to take it with you. Let's talk about the size. So I have my Hobonichi. Oh, you know what? It actually fits. Oh my goodness. Okay, so my Hobonichi, this is my Hobonichi Effect cousin size. So it's the A5 size. It's very, very full right now. And it's with the cover. And I'm going to try and see. Oh my goodness. But the thing is, if you were to fit in your notebook and you have a lot of supplies in here and here, I don't think it's going to close. Yeah, this might be a tight fit, but the fact that it actually closes, that makes me really happy. Not that I'm traveling anywhere, but my very, very full Hobonichi cousin. So if you, even if you have like a slim A5 notebook, you can, sorry, I'm just tucking my threads. So even if you had just a regular A5 notebook with some simple markers and pens, maybe a small little watercolor set. Oh my goodness, this is really neat. I think I'm going to close it up here. Oh wow. That's really nice. I wonder if a pen will fit. Let's do a Pilot Pereira. Not that I don't think I would keep my fountain pen on the outside, because I would probably be banging it and stuff. But that is so neat. Are you just excited as I am? Wow. That's so neat. I think even to have just as like at your home, and oh, I really like this touch too, because they have this on the actual notebook. I think it would have been perfect if there was like a handle or something over here. But oh, that's so neat. Even like I was saying, like even if you're at home and you want to keep like a set with you. So in my case, maybe I would stick my Hobonichi and then maybe some ephemera stuff in here. But right now my Hobonichi is just way too full, so I don't think it's realistic. I don't think I'll be able to fit in too much. But maybe once I'm finished this one and I start the new one in July, I can do something like that. That is so neat. So yes, that is the quick unboxing of the Tsubamenote notebook pouch, I guess you can say. I don't know what the correct terminology is, but there is some information at the front here where like different ideas. Oh, it even fits like a iPad mini maybe. But yeah, you can stick in smaller things here, taller scissors and stuff there, sticky notes for the smaller pockets, and it gives you a look at the other items within this same, I guess, style and brand. So neat. But yeah, oh, I didn't know they have these ink swatch cards. But yes, Inky Rocks, she did a video recently comparing different papers, and Tsubame notebook was in one of her mentions, and I was pleasantly surprised to see such a like an economical notebook, like a relatively cheap notebook, take on so many great fountain pens and inks and things. So I will link down to Inky Rocks channel below if you wanted to take a look at that. But there is the unboxing. Thank you so much if you are still here. I wanted to give this one away. So if you don't mind the fact that I've opened it up and kind of played around with the zippers, and I'm going to try and repackage it again, so it's going to get squished probably like this. I think this is the way that it was packaged. And if you don't mind that it's that I've already kind of looked at it, I will be giving this away. It is open worldwide. I think I will give it away on my Instagram because I haven't done a giveaway on my Instagram in a while. I did one recently on this YouTube channel, and I like to kind of hide the giveaways because I really like the subscribers and the people that watch the video. I just want to thank you very much for being here. And so I think for this one I will give it away on my Instagram channel, or Instagram, I guess, site. But I do want to give thanks to you and the subscriber and to people that follow, and just such encouraging words, and I really, really appreciate you always watching. So yes, I will leave my Instagram handle name here, and the Instagram name is always in the bottom description. So I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing. I don't know, were you excited just as much as I was? Like, I thought that's so cool that it could fit my hobonichi in there. I didn't expect it to be this size at all, so very, very pleasantly surprised. Okay, thank you so much for being here. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.